Hi all, welcome to today's market opening report and looking at market gap up, but from here on now what is the case, what we need to do. So looking at Nifty is exactly trading around 16,350 level. So our reference level is 16,400. If you note down, this is the key, and Bank Nifty currently trading around 34,580. So our level is 34,650 to 800. So 700 to 750 is the key zone. So this level is the important level zone, and moreover I think looking at the morning, because why this zone? So there is a gap up, there is a gap zone, okay. Moreover this is a swing zone. So again, if you are looking for bullish year, from where actually we were expecting market to have a bottom there, and some of you had the bottom, and now almost 1600 points in Bank Nifty, and again Nifty from 15,700, like this is the place we were expecting 700 to 800 level. So from there again 500 point bounce has come. So now if you are a buyer, you just need to think about it and rethink about your strategies. And moreover, like if you look at India VIX is down for the day, but still trading around 22%. So VIX is still 22%, but for the day it was down, but still the volatility is the key factor which one needs to be always looking at. But again, certainly I am not going to be a buyer here, because I was buyer around this level, but I was even saying just ensure that your risk is on the control, if at all, if these levels were going to break. Okay, so I am not a blind buyer, I am not a blind seller. So in case you just need to concentrate on your own steps. And looking at yesterday price action, actually we suggested this institutional data. I expected to be somewhere around roughly at least 500 to 1000, but to all surprise, like FII were seller for actually 2.2, so that means 2000, and were able to suppose. So it was a kind of very small net. So net is around only 100 crore. So FII have sold heavily even for the yesterday bonds, whatever we have seen, and moreover they have supported, but still I was expecting this to be like 600 to 1000 crore, but hardly the net was inflow, but the number as I expected it was not there. So it was just an 100 crore altogether. So that was the even major surprise looking at the price action yesterday. And moreover looking at today's opening also, it is good. Bank Nifty is up by 0.8% rather than yesterday's. For the sluggishness, it is trying to catch it up with the Nifty. And moreover, if you ask me from here on, so these are all the key levels which you need to hold on. Then maybe you can change your view from a little medium time frame. So once it starts sustaining about this one, then you can think about whatever the bearishness we have seen over the last 10 to 15 days in the name of inflation or kind of global worries, all those things, it's going to get negotiated above these levels. But now here if you wanted to go long, but ensure that if at all if you wanted to go long, where is the swing point? Hardly at least 1000 points away for the Bank Nifty, and for the Nifty I think it is more than 250 points. So in case if you wanted to go long, ensure again, make sure that your risk is in control, and if at all if you are going to go long, just wait for the small dip or else wait for the favorable risk reward. That's what I was saying when market were this level, though it was extremely bearish on an higher time frame. I said on a long term chart, so these are the support levels. So that is the reason why I initiated long, and it's my time to like liquidate my longs, but slowly initiating my short positions, assuming that these are all the swing points. But if at all market is going to crack like on the upside, I will ensure that my risk is on the safer side. That is what I can plan from the market. What I can do is I can just think about a favorable risk reward, and my view fails, again I want to reduce my risk. That is the case, and maybe we can review at the end of the day and we will see how this is going to happen and what at all happening. Again, tomorrow is an expiry day, so whatever position you are handling in the current week, ensure that you prepared for that volatility, let it be down or up, because looking at the VIX it seems to be 22 and even it is not, though market is going up, I expect VIX to fall 7 to 8% even today, but it is not happening. But if at all if it is happening, it is good for the traders, because volatility wise we can slowly disengage the market, so that will be like favorable for all the traders. So in case if you are looking for today's level, just ensure these levels are in your mind or in your chart, so that you can take a decision accordingly. Then slowly, because looking at the data point of view means OA point of view, yesterday itself the market was showing move and the data is also showing move. Even today market is showing some kind of strength in terms of price and moreover in terms of data also. But what I feel is around this place market can just consolidate, because I am not expecting to come down heavily, but here is the place where the kind of reaction can happen, because this is a kind of medium term swing zone. So, hope these levels will be helpful to you in case if you are trading for the next 2 to 3 days. So, hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thanks for watching.